Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to go over how you can use AI to choose which product or service you sell. Now, this video really is just for anyone who doesn't have a product or service yet, and maybe they've grown a following and now they finally want to sell something, but they don't know what to sell. Basically, in this video, we're just going to leverage AI to help you pick out what you should sell based off your interests and your expertise. Okay? So, how this prompt works right here that we created is this prompt will return 10 digital products or services it recommends you sell based on your interests and what you're actually good at. Okay? Because there's a lot of people who sell, I think, products or services on what they're not interested in. And then eventually they stop selling it after maybe a year or two because they're just not interested. They don't really like selling anymore. So what I found is if you sell something based on your actual interest and expertise, you're more likely to just continue selling it, continue growing the business for years to come because you actually enjoy, what you're doing. So I made this prompt to help you guys choose a product or service to sell that goes with your interests and goes with your expertise. So to use this prompt, it's very simple. So the prompt is right here. And all you have to do is input your interests or expertise, what you're interested in, what you like, what you think you're good at. Okay. So I'm going to copy and paste this into ChatGPT. Let's paste in here. There we go. And I'm going to move myself up here real quick. There we go. And then all we're going to do is I'm going to copy this. Sorry, let me actually, there we go. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to copy this one. So this is the example I used to generate the image down here. But I think this is a pretty good example to show you the capabilities of this prompt. So in here, for putting in my interest and expertise, I just put, I'm interested in YouTube. I love YouTube videos and I'm good at mathematics. Now this is actually true for myself. I went to university for math and stats, and I do love YouTube. I was like a huge YouTube fanatic, followed all the big YouTubers, when I was younger. So that is what I'm interested in. So now, and all you have to do, you don't have to go hugely into detail, but you can just write down a little sentence like this. When you press this, it's now going to give you 10 different digital products or services that you can sell. Okay? So as you can see here, it says, based on your interest in YouTube and your strength in mathematics, here are 10 potential products or services you can offer through your agency or business. So we have YouTube analytics consulting, and we'll just let this go for a little bit. For some reason, ChatGPT always goes slow when I'm recording, like with the loom here. I don't know why that is, but we'll let this keep going. But in the meantime, that's only the first part of this prompt. What I also want to do is help you guys create a full in-depth business plan as well. Okay. So the next prompt after this, after it generates the 10 products or services, is you're going to pick which idea you like, and then we're going to have ChatGPT create a full business plan for you. So for this prompt, it says, act as a business consultant with over 25 years of experience. Provide me more information on the blank idea above. So you'll choose which idea out of the 10 generated here you like. And give me a custom in-depth business plan on what I should sell this, who I should sell the service to, how to find those people, offers, messaging, pricing, how I should sell it, and how to scale to over 10K per month or more. Okay. So as you can see, it looks like these are done. So let's see the 10 that it came up with. So we have YouTube analytics consulting. So using your math skills, you can analyze and interpret YouTube analytics for content creators, which isn't a bad one. So looking at their stats, looking how they just look at the metrics behind the videos and look at what they can do to get more videos or more subscribers. Algorithm optimization service, help creators optimize their videos for YouTube algorithm. Custom data analyst tools for YouTuber, develop and sell software tools that can help YouTubers. Educational content creation, create and sell educational content on YouTube that focuses on mathematics. Mathematical video editing, offers a video editing service that specializes in creating visually engaging content for education channels, particularly those focused on math and science topics. That's actually a pretty interesting one. Sponsored content matchmaking service, use your understanding of YouTube to connect brands with YouTubers. YouTube channel financial planning, content strategy development, online course creation for aspiring YouTubers, interactive educational video series. Okay. So again, these are just like 10 random ones that ChatGPT threw out. Again, you could get 10 new ones. If you don't like any of these, you could get 10 new ones by just changing this here. Okay. But I just want to show you like because all these ideas are really related to YouTube and math. Like it really took those two ideas and created and came up with 10 services that I could sell or products I could sell that really relate to those two. So make sure if you want to maybe be more broad, make it more broad. If you want to be more specific, make it more specific, the prompt or just the placeholder you put here. Okay. So let's say out of all of these, which one do I like here? Let's say the mathematical video editing. I thought that was an interesting one. So then what I want to do, if I want to get a full in-depth business plan on like how to sell it, how to price these services, I'm then going to go over here. I'm going to copy this prompt. Okay, let's just copy all this. Go back, paste it in here. And I'm just going to change this X here with the video idea above. So this is the 5th video idea above. So using on the 5th idea above. And then what you're going to see is that a full business plan is going to be created now. So here we go. So we have our target market, which is our primary audience. So educational YouTubers, academic institutions, ed tech companies. Finding your audience. How do we find our audience? We do online marketing, collaborations, networking, SEO, and content marketing. Offers and messaging. This would be our unique selling proposition. So something that makes us unique compared to everyone else out there. And then we have our messaging that we can use. Emphasize the importance of high quality, engaging educational content in today's digital learning environment. Highlight your unique ability to transform abstract mathematical concepts into visually appealing content. And then we also have the pricing strategy. Offer different packages based on the complexity and length of the project. So basic editing, advanced editing with animations, and full package including script consultation. So that's good. And then we have the sales strategies and how to scale as well. Okay, so this will just give you a general overview. It's not going to give you specific step-by-steps, but it's going to give you a general overview of how to start the agency, what your messaging should be, how to scale it overall. Okay, so it's just going to give you more context into the actual idea itself so you can make sure that this is something that you actually do want to sell, that you are interested in. Okay. So yeah, guys, so that is it for basically this video. Again, just use this prompt if you need help coming up with a product or service to sell that is related to what you're interested in and also your expertise. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.